What's up people, welcome back to 4C Trading TV, where we discuss all things cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies. I'm your host Ben from 4C Trading, and today I will walk through some of what I believe to be the most promising cryptocurrencies to invest in 2019. But I want to start by throwing you a challenge. What do you look for when determining the viability of a crypto investment? Is it the current price, the history of volatility, the reputation and global adoption, or projected future growth? Share your opinion with us in the comment section below, telling us what matters most to you and why. Now, let's talk about the cryptos. Let's go! Back to our main topic. Here are my top picks for the most viable alternative coins to buy now and why. The first one, Leo. Leo, the native cryptocurrencies for Bitfinex crypto exchange, make it here for one major reason: scarcity. Bitfinex has committed to using 27% of their quarterly revenue to buy back and burn Leo tokens in a bid to create a scarcity they hope eventually push the price of the token up. And actually, it's working. Launched in May this year and available to the public at $1.05, Leo shot up to hit the high at $1.9 in less than 3 weeks before cooling off around $1.5. That is the current trading at today. I advocate for this coin due to the fact that you are not only get to benefit from price gain as a result of demand and supply push, but also due to the fact that the burns create the much needed scarcity. The second one, Litecoin. At this point, I would like to mention that scarcity is the driver of prices, at least in the cryptocurrency world. The Bitcoin developers understood this when they capped Bitcoin tokens at 21 million. Binance understands this, and this explains why they are buying back and destroying tokens already issued, and so does Litecoin, whose next halving that is less than a month away. On 7 August 2019, the number of Litecoins awards per mine block will reduce from the current 25 to 12.5. This means that the generation of Litecoins will become scarce, and we all know what happened after that. The price will most definitely go up. In the past few months and in anticipation of the halving process, Litecoin has appreciated the value tremendously, seeing that it opened the year trading at $30 but currently trades around $90, signifying a 300% ROI that we expect to continue through and after the halving process. On the third position, we have Ethereum. Created by Vitalik Buterin and introduced to the world in 2015, Ethereum has gone on to become the second most popular cryptocurrencies, and for a good reason actually. It's one of the most innovative cryptocurrencies today and one of the most adopted. Unlike Bitcoin, that is solely a payment processing platform, Ethereum is a fully fledged platform best known for the introduction of the smart contracts in the blockchain. In the past few years, it has received adoption and praise by some of the world's largest multinationals, including Microsoft, IBM, Chase Bank and JP Morgan, who are building decentralized apps on the open source network. With every big shot multinational that express interest to base its app on the Ethereum network, the Ethereum price goes up, and given that there is no limit to a number of companies the decentralized network can hold, and you can only expect this number to grow, of course, especially after the current node developers launch their apps. Ethereum opened the year trading at around $130 before dipping to the $110 at the end of January. Today, it is trading around $240, translating to over 200% gain in the last 6 months, a trend that is expected to continue on the long term. On the second place is a coin I'm promoting for a long time already. It's the Binance coin. Binance coin is the native currency of Binance crypto exchange that recently launched Binance blockchain. I also have it on my list of the most viable and fastest rising coin, and numbers seem to agree with it, as it has solidified its position in the top 10 coins with a market capitalization of over $3.9 billion and in a daily translation volume average about $400 million. But this is not the only reason I consider Binance Coin the best bet for investors looking to diversify their portfolio. Note that every quarter, Binance uses 20% of the exchange revenue to buy back a percentage of the Binance Coin that they then destroy. This creates a level of shortage that is necessary to push the coin's price up. This means that by buying Binance, you will not just benefit from value rise due to the normal demand and supply operation, but also from the permanent shortage created through the exchange halving process. At the beginning of the year, Binance Coin was trading at a mere $6, but has since shot up to trade at around $28, representing a 460% increase in less than 6 months. And on the first position, it's of course the Bitcoin. Yes, my first choice is obviously the Bitcoin, the undisputed leader in the cryptocurrency space, and here is why. If you bought one Bitcoin earlier this year, let's say around mid-January when it was around 3,500, you would have cashed in over 400% in return on investment in mid-June when the same coin hit the highs of $30,900 or about 290% if you cash out today at its current price. Going forward, Bitcoin price is only expected to go better both on the mid and long run, especially as the world prepares to usher the most-awaited Facebook Libra coin. Indeed, the social media company's announcement is believed to have inspired confidence in Bitcoin investors who expect to increase awareness brought towards by Facebook entry into the crypto industry to draw in more traders into the crypto market. This informed the reasoning that Bitcoin will probably stabilize between the $8,000 and $14,000 level before eventually spiking higher as the launch draws near. You therefore are better off buying your BTC today. So this is my pick. Share with us your thoughts on this, as well as the challenge for the week in the comment section after hitting the like and subscribe button below. Thanks family, and enjoy the rest of the week. See you soon!